To install Blender, you can select the browser of your choice and type in blender.org, and then once the page is loaded, go to download Blender. Currently we are at version 2.77a, and then you can scroll down and select the Blender version of the operating system of your choice. Blender is there for Windows, Mac OS, as well as Linux. For those who are not very tech savvy, here we have 64 and 32 bits. I'm 100% sure that by today everybody who's in my class does not have a computer or Windows that runs 32. Pretty much everybody has Windows 7 or 10, so we will probably have to and should select the 64-bit version. For Windows, there are two different types, zip and installer. The installer copies Blender directly and installs it into the application folder. You can do that if you want. With the zip, it simply downloads a zip file, then we can unzip it and basically move the application to where you want it to be. Under 64-bit, for each operating system, you see there are different mirrors. So we can download it from the US, Germany, the Netherlands, or Russia. I'm on a Mac, so I will actually select the US, and you see it's a pretty small application, not very big. Okay, so once this is loaded, you will have this zip file, and you can double click it, and then we'll extract it, create a folder with all this, where we only need the Blender application. The rest we don't really need. So, and then this application Blender you can put on the desktop if you want. Obviously, maybe it might be better to put it into your applications folder. For those who would be interested to always have access to the latest development versions of Blender, because it is a very fast developed software, and on a regular basis the developers add a lot of new functions to it, you can, instead of downloading the official final version, also download the test versions. And for this you can go to this website, builder.blender.org, and then /download/. Okay, and then here you have for Mac OS and Windows or Linux all your different flavors. And this basically is everything you need to know about how to download and then install the software. In the next video then I will show you how we can configure the user interface.